There we go, guys. How we doing? Hope you're all doing well. We are at the New Forest Collectors Club event here in Hythe. I think I've said that right. Hope you guys enjoy. Like and subscribe. And we'll see how the day goes. There we go, then, mate. £20 then, please. There we go. Thank you very much. All right. Good luck.
Can I have this one?
Yeah, of course you can.
I'm just a wallet. I know nothing. I'm just a wallet. Yeah.
No, that's all right.
Wait, I need
Yeah. 3 of the megas, no worries. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. All right, it's £20 then, please, mate. Do you want to pay by card? Is it? No problem. Even for you, mate. So, no worries. You want the Team Rocket tin? Yeah. No worries. Just that one for you. How would you like to pay for that? Yeah. There you go. Have some dice as well. I'll keep him busy for a bit.
Yeah, that's Christmas opening right there.
Yeah.
Do you want me to throw in a mystery pack so that they're the same price for them? Yeah. There you go. So you can have that one, then it's the same value for those two there.
There you go.
How much is that? Might as well go for this one then, if it's
Yeah, I can do a straight trade for that one. Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
That one for that one. That's fine. I can do that.
Okay, thank you.
No worries. All right.
I think so, yeah.
Start counting up. You sure?
Do it, yeah. Forgotten what we picked up, so yeah.
So you got 1,
Sleeves.
and it's 6 for £1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've forgotten how many sixes that was.
I know, yeah, that's still
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another one. 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5.
Yeah.
There we go. £5. All gone through. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, mate.
No worries. Enjoy putting it all in together.
Oh god, I've got to sort through them and figure out which ones I need for which decks. Oh, it's a nightmare. It's a job for later.
Not a problem.
Thank you, mate.
Cheers. Thank you very much. Just those ones, yeah? 11, 14, 17, 21, 22 quid, 23 altogether then, please. One of these ones, yeah? Anything else for you? Just that?
No, that's it.
Yeah? Oh, not a problem. There we go, all gone through for you. Cheers, thank you very much.
Could I have the other two as well?
You want the other one? Yeah, not a problem. 3 journeys? All gone through for you, mate. Alright, cheers, thank you very much. That one? Yeah. You want it?
Yeah, please.
There you go, all gone through. Thank you very much, no worries. Microphone's nearly dead. So, I hope you guys have had fun. Comment, like and subscribe. Catch you soon.